Your name Rahul.
Нет. Shashwat.
Sharshur?
Shashwat.
Shashwatat. Hey, where are you going now?
Hostel.
Hostel? Ah, you know me?
No.
Who is on today? This your wife? Girlfriend?
Yeah.
Ah. Good luck. Good luck, Ayash. Are you joking? Hey, London is capital of Great Britain, bro. London is capital of Great Britain.
I don't know.
Yeah. My name is Aziret. Gomal? Gomal.
I live near, you know, Trusibekwa?
Yes, of course. Yeah. Who is on duty today? 1, 2, 3, 4.
You know,
A cat, a dog, a pencil, and university, Kyrgyzstan. It's very beautiful, yes? Okay. See you tomorrow.